freewheeling ability by our director and choreographer कि जो हमारे मन में हम गाना सुन के करें तो कोई dancing style नहीं था. We all just tried to have fun. जहाँ तक काम की बात की जाए, I think their work and body of work speaks for itself. They're fantastic actors. I think I speak on her behalf and Homi's that we are honored to that they agreed to be a part of this film. Yeah. They bring so much value, so much experience, and the command over the craft is tremendous. अपने काम को बहुत अच्छी तरह जानते हैं, and I think we have become better actors by just being in the same frame as all three of them. Yes.
The pursuit of happiness.
And happiness, how will you define happiness? Happiness किसमें मिलता है आपको?
हर रोज अलग रीजन होते हैं खुश होने के. सर कभी काम से खुशी मिलती है, कभी पर्सनल लाइफ से मिलती है, कभी कोई किसी से मिल लो तो खुशी मिलती है. You can find happiness in different ways in different places when you least expect it. So you can't describe it in आपको किससे मिलती है. हर रोज you find different experiences that give you genuine happiness.
I think a little bit like what Arjun said, but I think when you finally find yourself and you have the confidence in yourself to just be the person that you are and you want to be, I think that gives me a lot of happiness. We don't do cameos. I think as far as how much I have grown, I think you should ask someone like Homi who's worked with me in the capacity of a director. As far as the accent is concerned, it's actually something I really enjoyed with Fanny, because the film is set in Goa, and I got to speak my mother tongue in the film, which is Konkani. Goans do speak Konkani, we know that. So I got to experiment, improvise, but most importantly, it's a nice feeling when you have command over a language. Having said that, I think the first few days on set were very difficult, not just for me, but for all of us. When you're an actor in a Hindi film, you're used to listening to yourself in Hindi and performing in Hindi and hearing yourself in Hindi. When you start doing the same thing in English, it just sounds different. So it takes a couple of days to get used to that. Yeah. I don't think about it at all. I think a lot of people think that it's a risk. It was brave on my part. But I just feel like I didn't think about it so much. I went with my heart, I went with my instinct, and most importantly, trust. I trust Homi. And I remember him narrating this story to me when we were shooting Cocktail. And
thank you so much. The question.
Look at it. देखिए हम नाप तोल के चीजें नहीं करते. There's something called impulse and instinct that you go by. I was offered this film at a very interesting time in my life, and he came to me after seeing Ishaq Zade and said, "I think you can play this character in this and live this world." तो मुझे वो बहुत interesting लगा that the director has that vision for me at such a nascent stage in my career. तो मैंने ज़्यादा इतना सोचा नहीं, नाप तोल के चीजें नहीं करता हूँ मैं. मुझे मौका मिल रहा है इतने दिग्गज कलाकारों के साथ काम करने का. I'll become a better actor for it hopefully. So I did it just for the experience of it and not trying to calculate कि ये मेरा सही समय करने के लिए या मैं बाद में करना चाहिए या पहले. सब कंप्लेन करते हैं, हम लोग कुछ अलग नहीं करते. तो दुआ करता हूँ इस बार लोग कंप्लेन नहीं करेंगे और बोलेंगे अच्छा है कुछ अलग किया हम सब ने. Can do things on a whim without thinking so much. It was great fun that he allowed himself to be a part of it, and I think it was more because of the fact that Homi one evening had met him and just narrated this story to him in this journey, and he agreed willingly. I think in that moment to, he did a friendly appearance because of that, because of Homi's narration style. That's what it was actually, more than anybody else.
yeah, I mean, I don't know. You decide when you see the film, you'll know. You don't plan these things. You don't go into a film thinking that, oh, this line is going to be iconic or this line is going to be like the punchline. You go in with a character. You know, you're meant to say certain lines. You deliver it a certain way. In the process, if it becomes that, then
this is not one of those films. It's not one of those films that the dialogues are written for an effect. They're very throwaway. They're very conversational, matter of fact. So tomorrow when you guys see the film or the audience sees the film and a dialogue connects or clicks with them, then maybe we'll be able to speak about it more in detail. And there are a lot of dialogues that are contextual. So when you see it in the film, you'll enjoy it. Then maybe if we speak about it,